How do dolphins sleep without drowning? Imagine falling asleep tonight, but knowing that if you completely lose consciousness, you could drown. For humans, that sounds terrifying. But for dolphins, this is how they survive. Dolphins are mammals. They breathe air, they have lungs, and just like us, they need oxygen to stay alive. But there's one major difference. A human can fall completely asleep and continue breathing automatically. A dolphin can't simply do that. It has to consciously come to the surface to breathe. So here's the incredible question. How can a dolphin sleep without drowning? The answer is one of the strangest sleep systems found in nature. A dolphin can sleep with only half of its brain at a time. Yes. While one half of its brain is resting, the other half remains awake. And this isn't just a strange biological trick. It allows the dolphin to keep swimming, stay aware of its surroundings, and control its breathing, even while it's sleeping. Think about that for a moment. Imagine lying in bed tonight, closing one eye, while half of your brain goes completely to sleep, but the other half stays awake, watching the room and controlling your breathing. That's essentially what a resting dolphin can do. This type of sleep is called unihemispheric sleep. When one side of the dolphin's brain enters a resting state, the opposite side remains active. Usually, the eye associated with the resting side is closed, while the other eye can remain open. This gives the dolphin a way to stay partially alert while it rests. And after some time, the dolphin can switch. The awake side rests, and the sleeping side becomes active. It's almost as if the dolphin is taking turns letting each half of its brain sleep. But why would dolphins evolve such an unusual system? They have to breathe. Dolphins don't have gills. They can't extract oxygen from seawater like fish. Instead, they must swim to the surface and breathe through a blowhole on top of their heads. So completely shutting down their brains for a long period could be extremely dangerous. Their unusual sleeping strategy allows them to rest while still maintaining enough control to surface and breathe. But breathing isn't the only challenge. The ocean is a dangerous place. Even while resting, dolphins need to remain aware of what is happening around them. Predators can be nearby. Other dolphins may be swimming around them, and the group may be constantly moving. By keeping part of the brain active, a dolphin can remain partially aware of its environment instead of becoming completely unconscious. And there's another fascinating part of this story. Dolphins don't simply float motionless in the water for hours like a human sleeping in a bed. They can continue making slow movements while resting. This means that from a distance, you might look at a dolphin swimming through the ocean and have no idea that it's actually resting. It's one of the reasons dolphin sleep is so fascinating. But what happens with newborn dolphins? This gets even more interesting. Young dolphins need to stay close to their mothers. They need to learn how to swim, breathe properly, and survive in the ocean. Their mothers also need to protect them while continuing to move through the water. So sleep in the dolphin world isn't simply about finding a comfortable place and closing both eyes. Their entire lifestyle is built around staying active in an environment where stopping completely can be dangerous. And this is what makes the dolphin's brain so remarkable. Instead of choosing between sleeping and staying alive, nature found a way to let them do both. One half rests, the other half stays ready. Then they switch. It's an incredible adaptation that allows dolphins to live in an environment where breathing, swimming, and survival are all connected. So the next time you see a dolphin calmly swimming across the ocean, remember this. It might not be fully awake. It might actually be sleeping. They don't have to completely escape the world to rest. They simply turn half of their brain off. Nature doesn't always find the easiest solution. Sometimes it finds the most extraordinary one.